Coca Cola, one of the world's most famous beverage brands, serves millions of people every day across continents. Coca Cola cans are always the top choice because of their convenience compared to bottled ones. To meet this huge demand, Coca Cola production requires an efficient and precise mass production process. An important part of this process is the production of aluminum cans, where millions of Coca Cola cans are produced every day. In this video, join me in exploring the interesting mass production process of Coca Cola aluminum cans. Mass production of aluminum cans containing Coca Cola requires a large amount of aluminum, of which the main raw material is recycled aluminum. Large aluminum bars are fed into the crusher, which crushes the aluminum to facilitate the smelting process. Using recycled aluminum not only minimizes the need to mine virgin aluminum, but also contributes to protecting the environment, optimizing resources, and maintaining high production efficiency. Thanks to this process, aluminum can production becomes more sustainable, meeting growing market demand, while ensuring uniform and stable product quality. Recycled aluminum cans are an important source of raw materials in the production of aluminum cans. Used aluminum cans are collected and pressed into large blocks to facilitate transportation. The blocks are then passed through a sorter to remove non-aluminum impurities. The strong vibrations in the machine separate the aluminum cans, making sorting easier. In a giant rotary furnace, millions of recycled aluminum cans are being heated. This process helps remove the paint layer on the outside of the cans, which plays an important role in removing initial impurities before melting the aluminum. Thermal combustion ensures that only clean aluminum, free of unwanted materials, enters the next stage of the recycling process, thereby ensuring high quality of the final product. After the raw materials have been carefully prepared, the aluminum is put into the furnace to melt. In the furnace, the temperature is maintained at about 800 degrees Celsius, causing each piece of aluminum to slowly melt like water. Even though the aluminum is pre-treated, the melting process still produces many impurities. This machine with a long boom will remove all the impurities from the molten aluminum. This helps make aluminum more pure. Do you see this? This is not water, but molten aluminum. It is still at a very high temperature. Once the aluminum has been cleaned and reached enough flow, it will be poured into a large mold, forming giant aluminum ingots, each weighing about 1 ton. This process helps convert aluminum from a liquid state to a solid state, ready for the next processing steps in the aluminum can production chain. After the large aluminum blocks were successfully created, we continued to experience the delicate process. These aluminum blocks are fed through multiple rolling mills, each taking a step to reduce the aluminum rate. This extrusion process requires high precision, ensuring the aluminum reaches a steady rate and in accordance with specified digital standards. Each time it is rolled, the aluminum is gradually increased, eventually becoming rolls of aluminum foil. The thickness of these aluminum coils must meet appropriate standards for aluminum production, ensuring consistency and quality of the final product. The foil roll is then inspected for quality before moving on to the shaping and beading stage to become the finished aluminum city. This process not only ensures efficient product production, but optimizes raw material usage, minimizes waste, and improves product quality. This is a shaping machine. Here, aluminum foil will be stamped into shape to create whole aluminum blocks with exact dimensions in diameter, but the thickness and height have not yet been achieved. Every minute the machine pumps out fragrant aluminum cans to customers, helping to ensure a quick and accurate mass production process. Next, they will be transferred to another machine. At this stamping machine, aluminum can blanks continue to be stamped a second time. This process helps shape aluminum cans to precise sizes, meeting the standards of Coca Cola cans. The second stamping process involves stretching and shaping the can blank, ensuring perfect height, diameter, and thickness are achieved. Let's move on to this third press. Here, the cork and can lid will be created. This process involves stamping and shaping can lids with high precision to ensure easy sealing and opening. The cork part is designed so that users can conveniently open the can, while the can lid must ensure tightness to preserve the quality of the beverage inside. After the lid and cork are created, Coca Cola is injected into each can, and the process of attaching the lid and cork also takes place immediately afterward. Each can of Coca Cola has been completed, but they do not have labels yet. Coming to this last machine, this is the logo printing machine. Here, each Coca Cola can will have its logo and unique designs printed on it. The printing process uses offset printing technology, ensuring vivid colors and high durability for printed images. Each aluminum can is rotated evenly under the print heads so that the logo and product information are printed accurately and uniformly on the entire can surface. Once printed, the cans are inspected to ensure there are no printing errors, thereby ensuring the final product is of the highest quality before being packaged and distributed to the market.